Good day everyone. This is Jake Rodriguez Pamprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this video, I will discuss 7 tips for finding your purpose in life. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. So let's get started. Number 1 tip for finding purpose in life: donate time, money, or talent. Most of the time, we are more focusing on ourselves. That's normal. We find a good job or a business. We start a family if we want. We finish several degrees. We do the hobbies that we want. We are more focusing on ourselves. I think if we want to find purpose in our lives, we have to engage with other people. Helping others is one of the best way to find purpose. Donate time, money, or talent. Let's say for example, to donate time, maybe we can apply as a volunteer in an NGO, non-government organization. Let's say for example, there is an NGO that want to educate the student, and then you have the skills in teaching computers. Maybe we can act as a mentor to the student, teaching them how to use a computer, use applications. Or we can join an organization that we perform cleanups of the garbage in the different parts of the community. Volunteer during search and rescue, for example. We spend our quality time in helping other people without expecting money in return or recognition. Second is the use of money. If we have an extra money or cash from our pocket, from our earnings, whether it is from business or work, maybe we can donate it in an orphanage to feed the orphan children, the home for the agent, or the poor, or somebody needs money for operations, hospital bills, we can give money them for help them. And then for talent, maybe if we are very good in painting, we can teach them how to paint or to draw. Or we are very good in cooking, maybe we can join or help somebody to have a business or skill set. We teach them how to cook. If we are very good in computer repair, we can help a friend or someone who wants to apply as a computer technician by sharing our experience to them, teaching them how to program, for example, or web design. By doing so, by imparting our knowledge and skills, time and money to other people, there is a great joy. For me, in my personal experience, I have experienced by giving to others what I have, sharing my blessings to my neighbor or friends or somebody that I don't know, helping them out in their hard times. I feel very happy, and then unexpectedly there are so many blessings that I receive in return. It is true written in the Bible, what you sow is what you reap. If we do good things to others, good things will come back to us or to our family in unexpected ways. God knows that everything that we do, as long that our purpose and intention is good, He will give back to us 1,000 folds. That's tip number 1, donate time, money, or talent. Tip number 2, listen to feedback. Sometimes, human as we are not aware that we can do mistakes in our lives. we cannot judge ourselves because most of the time we cannot see our limitations and shortcomings. It's better to ask somebody, our friends, our relatives, or family members, what are the bad things that I have, and try to improve, admitting our mistake and try to improve ourselves. That is very important as a human being. Listen to feedback. Third tip, surround yourself with positive people. Very true. Positive thinking brings us positive result. If we have friends that are very passionate enough, always have a good outlook in life, we can have a good vibes or positive outlook also. People that has a positive outlook in life brings positive or good things on us. That's why for me, I always associating with myself with people or friends that has a very positive outlook in life, even though they have problems. So that's tip number 3, surround yourself with positive people. Tip number 4, start conversation with new people. Yes, we cannot be friends with only a few people. If we want to know the purpose of our life, we have to reach out with new people. For example, when I was attending a seminar, for example, a couple of weeks ago, I attended Google Dev Fest here in Bacolod. I meet new people, new friends. I start a conversation, a fellow software developers or engineers or technology enthusiasts. By doing so, not only I learned to develop my confidence in meeting other people, but also I meet new friends along the way. Because whether we like it or not, we have some friends also who left us. They are not true friends. They are fake friends. Meeting new people, it opens up an opportunity for us to know somebody, a new friend, a new connection. Maybe they can help us also in our time of needs. Along the way, it's a very good feeling to meet somebody, to associate with your interest. And my interest is software development, web development, technology, networking. So if I meet a person who has inclination on these fields, I'm very excited. Not knowing that only the person, but also to learn what are the things that we have in common. What are the new trends that he knows that I does not know, so we can exchange ideas, collaborative in learning along the way. So that's the tip number 4. Tip number 5, explore your interests. To find purpose in life, we have to engage ourselves with new hobbies. Before, my only hobby is playing basketball, after which writing programs, but now my hobby is this one, making videos in YouTube, in my YouTube channel. I learned a lot in making preparation of my topic, my how to use recording software, how to answer back comment questions in my channel, how to upload, how to use YouTube, how to learn new technologies to be presented on my channel. So this hobby of mine is already a part of myself. I want to share my ideas, my talent and skills to among my followers and viewers of my channel. So because I'm learning, I love to learn actually, especially in technology. That's it. Explore your interest. Second to the last, consider injustices that bothers you. In life, there are so many injustices that we can see in our society or community. There are people that is being abused by other people. there are companies or employers that does not pay right salary to their employees. They are abusive people surround us, very toxic. So if there is some injustices that happen, as much possible, if we can lend a hand or help to that person, we do it without expecting any return. By doing so, we find purpose of ourselves in helping people who are in need. That's it. Consider injustices that bothers you. Lastly, discover what you love to do. In life is a battlefield for me. That's my opinion. There are so many trials, problems, and to overcome challenges, constraints to surpass. But those problems has a purpose in life, whether it make us stronger or break us. It is very important to know what we love to do in life. For me, I love to write programs, writing books, teaching. That is my purpose. Doing business, that the things that I love. Okay. Window shopping, watching the YouTube videos, watching movies, working out, bodybuilding, so on and so forth. No, so we have to know what are the things that we love to do, because the things that we love to do, we can improve ourselves dramatically. Along the way, we will not feel bored, because that is our passion. For me, making this video tutorial, being a vlogger in YouTube, there is a purpose for me to spread knowledge, to share the skills that I have as a person to others without expecting any return. Maybe if I can reach already 1,000 subscriber, I can earn some money. But it is not my advocacy actually. My advocacy is to teach people, to impart knowledge. Earning money someday is, maybe it is a bonus, but it is not a motivation for me to earn money. My motivation for me is to change the lives of people that I can touch through learning, through sharing my skills, my time, my experiences as a software engineer, author, as a teacher, as a computer technician, so on and so forth. Many hats that I have before working in an information technology field and about life. Because human as we are, I'm also a person. I encountered so many problems also before in my life. How I was able to surpass those problems and still alive today, by God's grace. So that's all, no? To recap the things that we discussed, 7 tips for finding your purpose in life. Number 1, donate time, money, or talent. Number 2, listen to feedback. Number 3, surround yourself with positive people. Number 4, start conversations with new people. Number 5, explore your interests. Number 6, consider injustices that bothers you. Number 7, discover you love to do most. Before we end, I would like to say thank you very much guys for following my video tutorials in my YouTube channel. I really appreciate your time to listening to me, your support, my subscribers and new subscribers, my followers. Thank you so much. Before we end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.